Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your personal loan with SoFi step by step clearly. To activate your personal loan with SoFi, start by visiting the SoFi website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Loans section on the dashboard. Select the personal loan option from the list provided. If your loan is approved, you will see an option to activate it. Click on the Activate Loan button to begin the activation process. Review the terms and conditions associated with your loan. Make sure you fully understand the repayment schedule and interest rates. Once you feel comfortable with the terms, proceed by clicking on Agree or Accept. You may be prompted to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After identity confirmation, you will receive a summary of your loan details. Confirm that all information is accurate. If everything looks good, finalize your activation by clicking on Complete Activation. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating at this point, your funds will be available for withdrawal or direct deposit. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates from SoFi. Make sure to monitor your account regularly for any changes. And that's how you activate your personal loan with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.